Perhaps you miss quick and easy functions right on your lock screen. You can fix that by adding shortcuts to the desired functions on the lock screen. And it's really useful. Watch till the end and I'll share a cool tip that you might find useful as well. Firstly, you need to press and hold your current lock screen till it will require a password or to scan the Face ID. And now hit this button Customize on the bottom of the screen and tap on your lock screen. From here, you're gonna find and click on the section Add Widgets and then scroll down until you can see Shortcuts option. So tap on that and now tap on the icon to add the shortcut to your lock screen. By the way, you can add up to 4 shortcuts if you continue tapping the same icon. Now, to select preferred action, you're gonna click on the icon and choose your shortcut. For the first one, let's set to Open App and choose Calculator. Now I'm gonna click on the second one and customize it as well. And for this one, I'm gonna click on all of my shortcuts and choose for it to turn on DND mode. Now let's click on the third one, choose to create new note. And for the last one, we're gonna select my custom Yay mode. Great. Now all is left is to tap the cross to close suggested widgets and then tap the Done button to save changes. So let's try this out. I'm gonna click on the first icon and Calculator opens immediately. Now let's click on the second one and now DND mode is turned on and my wallpaper has been changed as well. Let's go back to my current wallpaper and tap on the third icon, which is for opening notes. And now let's tap the fourth icon and keypad is opened immediately. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.